in this video we're going to look at transitions. In the next video, in the link at the end, I'm going to show you how to use transitions and sound effects. So if you go to the top left hand corner on the menu bar next to effects and transitions, if you tap on transitions it brings up all the transitions. In here I've got favourites. So if I go back to transitions, all the transitions with a heart on, these are premium transitions. You've got to be a premium pro member to access these transitions. So when I go to this heart transition, if I tap on the star, that will add it to the favourites where I've just been. If you tap on the arrow, it will insert that transition. So if I want a particular transition that's for a particular subject, so if I type in black smoke, it will bring up all the black smoke transitions, or anything related to what I just typed in the search box. So if I add that to my favourites and I go back into favourites, then I drag down to the first split on the timeline. You can notice I can expand the transition. You can see the duration changing. You can see the name in the transition properties box. So here I can apply it to all. So it's added it to the other split. So let's watch this transition in action. Please like and subscribe if you found this video useful.